Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my DIY face mask to detox your skin.
From the way you talk, to the way you walk, to the way you rock that body, to the way you move, to the way you groove, I know you'll be somebody. So don't you frown or let it put you down, 'cause within I know you got it. So bring that fire, let's take.
Things are loosening up here in California, and after I have my second dose of vaccine, things are little by little going back to normal. And I also recently just went back dancing, so I have been wearing makeup almost every day. I researched the best way to detox your skin, to exfoliate, and how to brighten your skin. Because facial detox help remove impurities, pollutants, and dead skin cells to revitalize your skin. Facial detox also helps with the production of collagen and elastin of our skin. First, I'm gonna show you what we need. The main ingredients that we need is the Indian healing clay. Second is our apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may also help with a variety of common skin problems, and adding it to your skin may amp up your skincare routine. It has a powerful antimicrobial properties that may ease skin infection and soothe skin irritation. You can also put olive oil on our face mask. This is just optional, but olive oil is brimming with skin benefits, from moisturizing dry patches to breaking down stubborn makeup. It also prevents water loss. Olive oil's main benefit is to moisturize the skin by reducing water loss. Olive oil may also help block damage and pigmentation from the sun. It may also help reduce skin redness and wrinkles. Next one is the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and it's highly inflammatory. It can help treat burn, acne, and dry skin. Using aloe vera on your face daily can help moisturize your skin. So these are just the things that we need. These two here are just optional. The main thing that we need is just the healing clay and the apple cider vinegar. In preparing this, we need a plastic container. Everything that we're going to be using should be plastic. We cannot use stainless or any metal in preparing our mask. You can also use glass, pottery, or wooden bowl. According to an Amazon review, the reason why you aren't supposed to use metal is because bentonite leaches toxins out of whatever it comes out in contact with. You can use your finger in applying the clay on your face, or you can use a plastic brush, kinda like what I am using right now. I just got this free from April Skin when I bought April Skin Cosmetics, which is, by the way, one of my favorite products that I love using on my face. So let's begin doing our mask. This is what Aztec healing clay looks like. A very fine and dry powder. You don't really need a lot if you are only thinking of detoxing your face and your armpit. But of course, if you are thinking of detoxing your feet, your hair, and your body, you can add some more. I also heard that this healing clay is also good for stretch marks and acne scars. After that, we're gonna be adding apple cider vinegar. You can mix apple cider vinegar with water, or you can just put 100% apple cider vinegar in it. Oh, I can smell the vinegar. Just continue mixing it until we have a kinda like yogurt consistency. Oh, this is good. Now, if you wanted to put an aloe vera gel, you can either put the fresh aloe vera gel or you can use the bottled one. I love the scent of Nature Republic. If you notice, there are some moisture on my aloe vera gel. I usually put my aloe vera and other facial stuff in the refrigerator to prolong their life. The reason why we don't want to use any metal utensils because the company claims that it works because the toxin in the skin holds a positive charge while the clay holds a negative charge to help draw the impurities out. Let's see, here you go. Oops, looks like I made it too watery, so what we're gonna do is maybe I can add more of the clay. So yeah, this is too watery, so I am going to add a little bit of the clay. And perfect. This is the consistency that we are looking for. Just continue mixing it until there's no more lump on our clay. See, make sure that you mix them well. Perfect. So this is the consistency that we are looking for. See, kind of like it has those yogurt kind of like consistency. If you have sensitive skin, I suggest that before you put this on your face, try putting a little bit on your hand. I don't know why I put a lot, but anyway, it's better that you put it on your hand first to make sure that you're not getting any rashes. Wait for a few minutes and let it dry. And see if your skin is reacting to it. Just FYI, acetic acid is also found in apple cider vinegar that may help your skin lighten skin pigmentation and improve overall skin appearance. Before applying the healing clay mask, I made sure that I wash my face first. Indian Healing Clay is a deep pore, cleansing facial, hair, and body mask. It is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay that's great for facial, body rubs, clay bath, foot soaks, hair mask, chilled clay knee packs, insect bites, and more. Bentonite clay is like a sponge. When it's wet, it expands. As it dries, it contracts. This means that as your mask dries, it will literally feel that your face is pulsating and being sucked off by the clay. Some people recommend using the Aztec clay mask every day for 5 to 7 days until your problem areas cleared up considerably. Start with a full face mask, then day 2, just a spot to treat the problem areas. Then the next day, use a full face mask again, and then so on and so forth. Once you reset your skin, you can switch using it once a week. The positive Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay reviews all have general consensus that this clay mask works well for clogged pores, excess oils, and acne, leaving the skin clean and smooth. A lot of people are also claiming that applying bentonite clay to scars, acne marks, and stretch marks can possibly help lighten up some of the skin discoloration. It also helps heal the acne-prone skin, and it can also help to control the skin's sebum production. Not only is an Aztec clay simple to use, but it doesn't leave any uncomfortable film to the skin after the treatment. It is non-oily and non-greasy. when you are putting it on your armpit. Make sure not to put a lot because it's kind of hard to move when it dries up, as it creates dust while it is drying. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. While the mask is drying, it is normal to feel a little tingling sensation and a little tightness from the mask as it dries. The best way to wash off any clay mud is to fill a bowl with warm water and wet the clay back into the mud before washing it into the bowl or other container. Avoid washing the mud directly into the sink or shower if you can, because the clay can and will clog the drains. Be sure to pat dry your skin with a towel and apply toner and moisturizer after rinsing off the mask. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and again, thank you all so much and see you on my next video. Hi friends and welcome back to another 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 video. Detoxing helps improve collagen and elastin, dang it, and removes dead skin cells and remove deads to take away these impurities and harmful